Forever we remain oblivious to what the future holds. Lost, lost in our past and enduring our torture. Forever we take chances to settle our scores, losing some battles and winning some wars. Forever praying, hoping someone hears. Forever praying, hoping someone hears us. Forever crying softly, never shedding a tear. Forever remains, forever exists behind a disguise, but the faith and dread. But our hope in forever is what keeps our hearts alive. That's it.